Hao. Hello, everyone. Welcome to the 2021 Middle School Chinese New Year Assembly. We will start this assembly off with the zodiac story from the 8th grade.
One day, long ago in China, the Jade Emperor decided that all the years should have a name to help the people tell the years apart. He decided to name each year after an animal and proclaimed that the animals would have a race across a wide river. The first 12 to cross the river would each have a year named after them. All the animals were excited as they made their way to the starting line. First, the rabbit.
I have strong back legs to keep me going. I just need to find some way to get through the water.
Then, the horse.
I'm used to running fast, and I'm a strong swimmer.
And the rooster.
It's me, Rooster. See how my feathers shine in the sun?
Then, the dog.
I'm happy to see all my friends here. This is going to be fun.
Then, the ox.
I'll swim this race the way I do everything, strong and steady.
Then, the tiger.
I'm the strongest and the fiercest, and I love to swim.
Next, the snake.
So nice to see everyone. Let's have a good race.
Then, the dragon. Good luck to all the contestants. Let me know if I can help you. Then, the sheep.
I hope I do well. I'm not sure about how to get across the water.
Next, the monkey.
Boo!
Oh, you scared me.
You can't catch me.
Ah!
The pig.
I hated to leave my meal, but I thought I should get here before the race started.
And finally, the rat.
I'm here.
Why are you so late?
I'll show you what happened. Hi, Kat.
Well, hello, Rat. What brings you here?
Have you heard about the race the Jade Emperor is going to have? We should join.
I'll win, of course, but I need my sleep. You come and wake me when it's time.
The cat has been so bossy lately. I was going to wake him up, but I changed my mind. I ran here instead.
You mean Cat is still asleep?
Serves him right. He is too lazy to even pay attention to what time the race starts.
They had all lined up and were ready. The Jade Emperor gave the signal for everyone to start. The ox jumped in and soon was ahead because she was a strong swimmer. She didn't know that the clever little rat had quietly climbed on her back. The ox reached the shore and had just a little ways to go to the finish line.
I'm the first one out of the water. I knew Strong and Steady would win the race.
But I crossed the finish line first. Sometimes the cleverest one wins the race.
And indeed, the Jade Emperor proclaimed rat the first animal in the zodiac. The ox had the honor of being second. Next came tiger.
I'm going to run to the finish line. I'm not going to let anyone sneak past me.
The rabbit finished fourth.
I started by hopping from stone to stone on the river, but then I managed to hop on a floating log.
The dragon finished fifth. On my way, I saw some villagers whose crops were drying up, so I stopped to make it rain for them. The horse was the next animal out of the water.
I made it! Wait, what is that?
Sorry, just slithering by.
So it was snake who finished sixth, horse was seventh. Sheep, monkey, and rooster all found a raft at the beginning of the race, and they paddled as quickly as they could across the river.
We'll work as a team. It doesn't really matter what order we're in. We'll all be part of the Zodiac.
Let's all race for the finish line anyway. It will be fun.
Last one there is a rotten egg.
Sheep finished in eighth place, monkey in ninth, and rooster in 10th. Next was the dog.
That was so much fun. I love playing in the water. I'm a little late, but I don't mind. I'm still number 11.
Last one to finish? Oh, you could probably guess. Pig was number 12.
I would have been here sooner, but I stopped for a snack. I have to keep my strength up, you know?
The Jade Emperor announced, "You have all run the race in your own way, and I am proud to name one of these years after each of you. But what about the cat? Remember, he was sleeping, depending on the rat to wake him up."
That was a good nap. Uh-oh, the sun is high in the sky. Why didn't Rat wake me up?
Cat frantically dashed to the starting line, only to find that the race was over. The cat was left out of the Chinese zodiac, and that is why, to this very day, a cat will chase a rat whenever he sees one.
I see you, little rat.
That cat never forgets.
I hope everyone enjoyed the Zodiac story, and thank you to the 8th graders for that amazing video. This video was made for the lower schoolers to help them have a better understanding of the Zodiac story. Now let's watch and learn how to say each Zodiac animal in Chinese and watch a fun Zodiac dance from our 6th graders.
The first zodiac is rat. Rat in Chinese is shuo. Please follow me and say shuo. Second Chinese zodiac is ox. To say ox in Chinese, say niu. Please follow me and say niu.
The third Chinese zodiac is tiger. In Chinese, it is hu. Please repeat after me and say hu.
Rabbit in the Chinese zodiac is tu. Repeat after me.
The fifth zodiac is dragon. Long. Please repeat after me. Long.
The sixth zodiac is snake. Snake in Chinese is shuo. Please follow me and say shuo.
The seventh Chinese zodiac is horse. In Chinese, it is ma. Please repeat after me and say ma.
The ninth zodiac is monkey. Monkey in Chinese is hao. Please repeat after me and say hao.
The eighth zodiac sign is goat. Goat in Chinese is yang. Please repeat after me and say yang.
Rooster is the 10th zodiac. Rooster in Chinese is qi. Please repeat after me and say qi.
The 11th zodiac is dog. Please say gao.
The last zodiac is Ju. It means pig. Can you say it with me? Ju. Now that we've learned all the zodiacs with our friends, let's have a zodiac dance. You can do this too. Stand up and dance with us.
鼠，牛，虎，
兔，
龙，
蛇，
马，羊，猴，
鸡，
狗，
猪，
鼠，牛，虎，
兔，
龙，
蛇，
马，羊，猴，
鸡，
狗，
猪，
鼠，牛，虎，
兔，
龙，
蛇，
马，羊，猴，
鸡，
狗，
猪，
鼠，牛，虎，
兔，
龙，
蛇，
马，羊，猴，
鸡，
狗，
猪。
愿新的一年超越界限，天天都精彩。祝新的一年春风满脸，心情好愉快。想象的是非，迎接挑战，一步一步来，让梦想实现，我们庆祝了开怀。愿新的一年超越界限，天天都精彩。祝新的一年春风满脸，心情好愉快。想象的是非，迎接挑战，一步一步来，让梦想实现，我们庆祝了开怀。愿新的一年超越界限，天天都精彩。祝新的一年春风满脸，心情好愉快。想象的是非，迎接挑战，一步一步来，让梦想实现，我们庆祝了开怀。
北京欢迎你 Welcome to Beijing. Do you know what most famous places and popular foods are in Beijing? Let our 6th class Chinese show you.
北京欢迎你。
Gulgong, Forbidden City. It was built from 1406 to 1420 in the Ming Dynasty. It is the largest imperial palace in the world, still in existence.
Niaocha, Bird's Nest Stadium. It was created for use throughout the summer 2008 Beijing Olympics and will be repurposed for the 2022 Winter Olympics.
Changchang, the Great Wall of China, was built in 221 BCE as protection against the various groups of Eurasian steppe. The Great Wall is more than 2,300 years old.
The Great Wall of China is the longest in the world and has a mainline length of 3,460 kilometers or 2,150 miles. That is nearly 3 times the length of Britain. Now, Changchang is a cultural monument in China that shows resilience and the spirit of never giving up.
Tiantan, Temple of Heaven. Built in 1406 to 1420 in the Ming Dynasty, it was visited by emperors of the Ming and Qing dynasties for annual ceremonies of prayer to heaven for a good harvest.
Hot pot. Huoguo, also known as hot pot, is a popular Chinese dish, especially in Beijing. Huoguo is originally a big pot of soup or broth. Then people add ingredients to the pot, such as thin slices of meat, seafood, and vegetables.
There are numerous variations of huoguo, as you can add anything of your choice.
Haoya is a famous Beijing food. Haoya is roasted duck, which has been slowly cooked over a wood fire.
This method produces the dish's crispy skin.
我想吃
Haoya.
Jiajianmen. That is the English translation for soybean paste noodles. It is a very popular dish in China.
It has thick wheat noodles and various vegetables in it.
Tanghulu, rock candy. Tanghulu is a popular candied fruit snack in northern China. This sweet and sour treat has been made since the Song Dynasty and remains popular throughout northern China. Also known as Bingtang Hulu, the name can be translated as frosty sugar gourd, although no one knows where gourd comes from. The most common seen Tang Hulu is made with hawthorn berries. Hawthorn is a useful plant, and its flowers, its leaves, and berries are commonly used in medicines for heart disease, blood pressure, irregularities, digestion problems, and many others. It looks like a small red apple the size of a strawberry. It can be eaten raw, but it is extremely sour and has an unusual texture. Instead, it's used in jams, wines, fruit leather, and the reason we are all here, Tanghulu.
During the pandemic, this app called TikTok became very popular. This school year, students taking Chinese learned some TikTok dances popular in China to perform for you all. Please enjoy this clip of some students dancing to some popular Chinese songs.
红色的暗花，花瓣遍地撒，谁会在乎他在哭泣呀？佛将归千年，未见佛升天，我好想能再见他一面。摘下星星送给你，摘下月亮送给你，让它每天为你。
奶奶福如东海。2祝姥姥姥爷寿比南山。3祝爸爸妈妈万事如意。4祝叔叔阿姨好运连连。5祝老师同学意气风发。6祝自我超越勇往直前。阿万想更新又一年，千言万语说不完。满怀憧憬共祝愿，祝愿大家团团圆圆。
Having hybrid classes where some people are online and some people in person can be very challenging, but it also provides many unique opportunities to learn about Chinese culture. For example, the students at home can now use their kitchens and learn about Chinese cooking. Now, let's enjoy a video of a collection of things students have cooked.
Enjoy.
Food looks so good. Why hasn't anybody brought any this? No, I know why. Food looks great.
上至远方的山川，
想去海边看海鸥。
不管风雨有多少，
有你绕糟糕。
喜欢看你的倔强，
喜欢看你的微笑，
把你赶上那蓝天，想你的微笑。
你笑起来真好看，
像春天的花一样，
把所有的烦恼，所有的忧愁，统统都吹散。你笑起来真好看，像夏天的阳光，
让个世界全部的时光，
美得像花间。
Wow, what an amazing performance from the sixth graders. Not only was it an amazing song, but it also has an amazing meaning.
This song reminds you that no matter how challenging life can get, to always remember to smile and push through.
Yes, that's right. We always need to remember to smile and have a good time. Enjoy life and be happy.
对。
恭喜发财！
For Chinese New Year, Leah Denberg has made a beautiful poster to celebrate the year of the ox. Here is a video of her poster where Leah explains her artwork.
Hi everyone. I created this drawing to celebrate Chinese New Year. 2021 is the year of the ox, according to the Chinese zodiac. The Chinese character for ox is Niu. It has a similar pronunciation as the word new, so I named my project Happy New Year. I used red and gold in my drawing since they symbolize good luck and prosperity in Chinese culture. In the old days, people used lanterns to bring light. Hanging lanterns during Chinese New Year became a tradition that signifies a better and brighter future. Using a combination of red, gold, lanterns, and Chinese characters, I am sending a message of good fortune and prosperity for everyone in the coming new year.
Each year, USPS, United Nations, and China Postal Service release a stamp for Chinese New Year. This year, the middle school's Chinese students decided to make their own stamps. Here is a video of our collection.
顺着神州大地，
吉祥的吉，如意的意，心想事成，有万事顺意。
祝老人更有福气，孩子更有朝气，姑娘更加美丽，小伙更加帅气，
工作更加顺利，生意更加牛气。为了这片土地，让我们一起努力。
恭喜你发财，恭喜你精彩，最好的请过来，不好的请走开。礼多人不怪，兄弟姐妹，我们大家一起扭起来，为了新的一年，我们齐声来喝彩，千家万户张灯结彩，统统扭起来，孩儿们年夜饭菜乐开怀，扭起来，扭起来，我祝你恭喜发财，扭起来，扭起来，为你开心的摇摆，扭起来，扭起来，踏着幸福的节拍，家家户户团团圆圆好运来。你扭起来，我扭起来，大家扭起来，咱们扭起来。更加自信，不遗余力地发挥自己实力。
勤勤恳恳在脚踏实地，牛气冲天，在取得新的成绩。
平平安安的生活也得意，和和美美在家里更和气。一份耕耘，一份甜蜜。2021，让我们继续。恭喜你发财，恭喜你精彩，最好的请过来。不好的请走开，礼多人不怪。我们再来，恭喜你发财，我恭喜你精彩，最好的请过来，不好的请走开，礼多人不怪。兄弟姐妹，我们大家一起扭起来，为了新的一年。我们齐声来喝彩，千家万户张灯结彩，统统扭起来，孩儿们年夜饭菜乐开怀。扭起来，扭起来，我祝你恭喜发财。扭起来，扭起来，为你开心的摇摆。扭起来，扭起来，踏着幸福的节拍，家家户户团团圆圆好运来。扭起来，扭起来，我祝你恭喜发财。
Thank you all for watching this year's Chinese New Year Assembly.
We hope you enjoyed it, and we hope you have a sweet and lucky New Year. Happy New Year, Zaijian!
Thank you, everyone.
Miss Lee, everybody, real quick. Thank you, Miss Lee. Thank you, Chinese language. Thank you. That was so awesome.